IRDAI has given a mandate to general insurance companies and standalone health insurance companies to launch products that could cover people suffering from mental illness, people affiliated to HIV, AIDS, or people with specific disabilities. If you remember, a year back also insurance companies were asked to cover mental illness, but there was no great response from the insurance companies, which is why IRDAI has now given a strict mandate to insurance companies to launch products that would cover mental illness, HIV, AIDS, and disabilities. Now, as far as the coverage is concerned, you must know that no insurance company can deny coverage for the mentioned problems, which is mental illness, HIV, AIDS, and specific disabilities. Also, the policy term would be for 1 year, and as far as the renewal is concerned, that will be in the same way as the terms are decided for the rest of the health insurance coverage or policies. But now insurance companies will have to include mental illness, HIV/AIDS, or disabilities, people with specific disabilities in their products.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.